Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Jamaican-style oatmeal, a comforting and flavorful breakfast. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 4 cups of water, and 1 cup of your favorite milk. Also, prepare a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For extra creaminess, have some condensed milk on hand. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's start cooking. Begin by combining your 1 cup of oats and 4 cups of water in a medium saucepan. Place it over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. Remember to stir frequently to prevent the oats from sticking to the bottom. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the oats are tender and have absorbed most of the water. With the oats now tender, it's time to infuse them with those wonderful Jamaican flavors. Carefully pour in your 1 cup of milk, along with a half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir in the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar until it's completely dissolved. Continue to simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Don't forget to taste and adjust the sweetness or spice to your liking. Almost there. For an extra touch of richness and creaminess, now is the perfect time to stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of condensed milk if you're using it. Once thoroughly mixed, remove the oatmeal from the heat and let it rest for just a few minutes. This allows it to thicken slightly. Finally, ladle your warm, fragrant Jamaican oatmeal into bowls. You can garnish it with fresh fruit or a sprinkle of extra cinnamon. Enjoy this comforting and delicious breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.